Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise X, and this is episode 115 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. He reads the questions, he answers the questions, and we go look for the cool ones, the weird ones, the funny ones, and we bring them here for you, so you don't have to read 1,000 questions a day. So in today's episode, we're talking about free Italian-style lunches on the Venezia, coffee cups with the ship's name on it, Cabana Loft 19s, when are they available? Store-bought soy paper instead of seaweed, and Lysol in the spray can. Can you bring it? All right, question one. This cruiser is going on to Venezia, and they wanted to know if, like on other ships, is there any free Italian-style lunches since it's an Italian-style ship? On most of the other ships, they have Cucina del Capitano, and they offer free pasta for lunch, which is really good, by the way. So John said no, but there are other places for lunch that are included. Pizzeria del Capitano, Lido Marketplace, MDR, I think it's the Tamodoro? Yeah, Tamodoro, and Guy's Burger Joint. So there's lots of free lunch options, just nothing like Cucina del Capitano, specifically on the Venezia. Question two. This cruiser always buys a coffee mug with the ship's name on it when they're on a cruise. They've noticed recently, it's another Venezia question, they're on the Venezia and they didn't see any. Did Carnival stop selling them, they asked? John said, yeah, they did. They stopped these some months ago, but he did speak to the Beards to see if they can convince the shops to bring them back because they were really popular. We actually started collecting them ourselves, and we're like, oh, cool, you're drinking a cup of coffee, and it's got a little slogan in the bottom. It's got all the restaurants and stuff on there. They're really cool, but it's kind of a good thing they stopped selling them because we were running out of space in our cabinets to store the damn things. So if you like the mugs that with the ship's name on it, they may be coming back. John's working on it. Speaking of like, if you like what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would appreciate it. Now on to question three. This cruiser had booked a cabana on Loft 19 for the entirety of the cruise. That's expensive. They wanted to know if it will be available on embarkation day, or do they have to wait until day 2 to go enjoy the Loft 19 experience? John said, well, that's quite fabulous, and he's sure they will enjoy it. He did say the Loft 19 cabanas are available as soon as you get on board. So if you want to go on board, do your muster station, get a drink, and then go to Loft 19, you could, because it's open as soon as you get on board. Question 4. This cruiser wanted to know if they can bring their own store-bought, unopened soy paper on the Jubilee. They wanted to know if they can bring it to the sushi place, Banzai, and they want to use that instead of nori. Nori is seaweed, because they can't eat nori, but they love sushi. John said, you can bring it on board, absolutely, but you can't give it to the cooks. They are only allowed to cook what's supplied to them by the cruise lines. So it makes sense. You don't want to bring something outside and then enter it or introduce it into a kitchen. And if it's contaminated or somebody's sick or stuff like that, it's going to spread everywhere. So they keep everything well controlled. So yes, you can bring it, but apparently you have to wrap your own sushi. No seaweed for you. Last question. This cruiser is getting ready to board their back-to-back cruise on the Paradise, and they wanted to know if they can bring Lysol because they saw in the spray cans that you can't bring the spray cans of Lysol anymore. John said, you are correct. You cannot bring spray cans of Lysol anymore. He did say you can bring the wipes and stuff like that, but nothing aerosol. I'd imagine it's because it's in a can, it's potentially flammable, it could explode, you're on a ship, you don't want to light on fire. So that'd be my guess. But yeah, we actually absolutely bring the wipes because sometimes you get in the room and there's a couple spots that you're looking at and go, what the hell is that there? What the hell is it? You know, so I'm just gonna, we bring the Lysol wipes. So spray, no. Wipes, yes, absolutely. That's been episode 115 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.